The third day of Ebrd'S annual meeting started in Samarkand. Topics of discussion were technical aspects of merging various state-owned exchanges. During the meeting, international experts, business owners, and analysts discussed the Republican Stock Exchange Tashkent and how foreign investors can benefit from this stock exchange.
On Tashkent Stock Exchange, first of all, we want to make Tashkent Stock Exchange the exchange of choice for local issuers. That's number one. Before you pitch to companies from Kazakhstan, Russia, Azerbaijan, Georgia, you need to first make sure that local Uzbek companies see Tashkent Stock Exchange as the best place to place their shares or bonds, because they believe they will be able to sell those securities and raise money, raise capital at an affordable cost. And for that, we need definitely not only local investors, but also foreign investors. And one key aspect of bringing foreign investors to Uzbek local market is to open the custody link for Uzbek market. What some people may not realize is that it's much easier to buy a security in a foreign market than to hold it. Because for holding a security, you need to have a global custodian or ICSD such as Clearstream, Euroclear present in the country. Otherwise, it just doesn't work.
Speakers of the meeting mentioned that supporting and giving local markets access to international capital management can also boost the country's economy.
A lot of local companies don't yet have the scale to be able to, attract, big investment. But the fact of the matter is that there are a lot of investors that are looking for very solid local players that have good dominant position in the market. And my advice would be to register with the stock exchange, to open up their accounting. That's the most difficult part, is to relinquish some of the control and lack of transparency and control that some shareholders like to have. That's not just here, that's everywhere. And so think a little bit about having more shareholders and opening, and maybe it's not necessary to have control over the company. 51%, if you had only 30%, you can still control the company. But
during the conference, representatives from foreign countries stated that they are always open to cooperating with Uzbekistan.